Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm about to make some cheesy bacon potatoes. It is Memorial Day coming up, and this recipe is perfect just for that. You're going to need some baby red potatoes, some scallions, and cheese. I already have my bacon going. I'm using the hot jalapeno cheese, but you could use whatever cheese you prefer. So this is my bacon right here. I already have, I think I have 6 strips of bacon here. You could put as much as you want, honey, or you could put as less. It's up to you. This is how you want to chop your potatoes. I just sliced them right down the middle. You want to add your potatoes to cold water on the stove in your pot. Cut the stove on. I'm not adding any salt to my potatoes because the bacon and the cheese is enough. Speaking of the bacon, my bacon is perfect and ready to go. You want to chop it up as well as your scallions, just like such, or however you want it. You can put big chunks. So now that I drained my potatoes, you want to add the bacon fat to the same pan that you boiled the potatoes in. You're going to saute those for a couple minutes. Add your scallions, saute that up. Then you want to, like I said, saute that up really good. You kind of want to get a little bit of brown on your potatoes, but it kind of doesn't matter because of the bacon fat. I'm going to season this up with my own spice. It's called Spicy Girl. It restocks next month, as a matter of fact. So make sure you guys look out for that. And yeah, you want to mix that up, but you can season this however you prefer. You want to add half your bacon down in here and mix that right in. Next, you want to add the rest of your bacon right at the end. Just cover the top and your scallions. And then you want to top it off with the cheese, just like this, because you're not going to mix the cheese in. You're just going to put it all over the top. And then we're going to put the lid right on top and cut the stove off. My stove was completely off at this point, because all you want to do is melt the cheese. And this is what it looks like. Like, guys, yum. Catch you guys on my next video.